Welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much more. Late night Bitcoin talk, and we're gonna go live momentarily. Mad love to my peeps right now, hitting it, jumping in the vid. You guys are rocking. Alright. Check it out. Welcome back to Jay's Strategies. We bring out the latest and greatest crypto news and much more. All the top memes, all the top alts, and we rock out with you guys. You guys that know me, you already know what it is. Alright guys, here we go. CMC coin market cap. Today's overall cryptocurrency market cap was $994 billion, so right below the 1 trillion mark. So we did go below that. 78 billion in volume today, so the volume was a little bit low. We talked about that yesterday, and the other day we had 100 billion in volume when we actually pulled down, and that's when people and the bigger wallets were buying into mass amounts of Bitcoin, and we got this merge going on right now with Ethereum. Let's run over these prices and we're going to talk about it real quick. Bitcoin right now at 20K72, down 24 hours 1.7 and up 4.3 in 7 days. Okay, it's at 385 billion and it's 37 billion in volume. All right, Ethereum just popped over that 1600, up 1%, so it's kind of even. We got 198 billion sitting and we got 18 billion in volume. US Tether right now, let's see, 67 billion right now market cap and 55 billion in volume, so they're always pushing that. USDC coin, look at that, 50 billion, okay, and then 6 billion in volume, growing like I was telling you guys. BNB, top dog right here. Binance at 276, down 1.1 for 24 hour and down 1.3 for the 7 day. We got market cap of 44.7 billion and almost 1 billion in volume today. Binance US dollar, look at that, 20 billion now we are up for the BUSD, and look at that volume, 9.9, almost 10 billion in volume. So guys, we are watching the stable coins of BUSD. We're going to talk about that actually tomorrow more in the video for the stable coins. XRP at 33 cents. Actually, it's up a little bit 24 hours, and then 7 days 1.16 up, 16.8 billion market cap and 1.2 billion in volume. So there's been some volume today in XRP. Cardano below that 50 at 47 cents, up 0.4 for the 24 hour, 16.2 bill market cap, 729 million, okay, in volume. Solano at 33. A lot of stuff happening around Solano, a lot of news, you know, and I feel like they're just pushing that news around just to get the name out there, you know. No news is good news, and no, even bad news sometimes is controversial news and it gets the name out there. You get what I'm saying, guys? Dogecoin at 6 cents. We've been sitting there. Look at that, pretty, you know, across the ranges right there. 8 billion is the market cap, 355 million. So we had a slow day on Doge actually right there. Polkadot at $7, sitting right there, down 2% on the 24 hour and then down 2% for the 7 day. 8 billion market cap, only 318 million in volume. Number 12, we talked about Polygon. It's at 84 cents, down 1.7. Okay, 7.4 billion market cap, 405 million. All right, Shiba Inu right here. Okay, 1.88, 6.6 bill, 314 mil on that volume. Tron right there at that 6 cents, sitting even with a 5.6 bill market cap. All right, we'll start talking about Tron more if we do get some requests for Tron, but you know, we usually you know, stop by here and there. Avalanche is another one. It keeps swinging around that $20 range, and there's a bunch of stuff that happened with Avalanche in the news articles, and when we do our longer videos we'll go deeper into our news articles. But 24 hours down 2.6, Okay, market cap 5.5 bill, 419 mil in volume, and then ETC, actually one that I've been looking at, okay, and I'm thinking about actually aping back in ETC right around now. Look, ETC is at 36, and I'm going to actually pull up their charts when we go ahead and look at the charts. Rocking out. Don't forget to stop by the Twitter page, at Trades4 Radio. We're slamming. We got a bunch of stuff going on. Wasn't too busy today on Twitter, but there's a lot of other stuff from all the other days blowing up the tweets, man. Mad love, respect to all you guys. You guys are rocking. You guys are the best. I love it. I love you guys, and you guys know that you can find me in the TG Telegram groups and a bunch of them, and you can also hit me on the Twitter. Let's go ahead and do our shout out for the Miku. So we see Miku still sitting at that 500 K market cap, so that's, you know, that's pretty good for a meme coin while the market is being pulled down a bit. All right, so we're going to be looking at the charts. Look at this Bitcoin. I'm looking at Trader's Reality chart. Okay, it's a hybrid chart, and then I got my RSI on the bottom here. I'm just going to show you Sydney session right here in this box, and then Hong Kong started to pull us down. M2 pivot is at 19.9. Okay, and this is on the 1 hour. We pulled below the 50. Okay, the 50 crossed over the 200, so we do have a lot of sell pressure right here. So this is what I'm watching. You did see that we did tap down here at 19.6, so they love the hole in half numbers, and you know, that 19.5 is something that we were looking at. M1 pivot zone is actually right there, right below the 19.5. So they were actually messing around and coming back and recovering these vector points. Okay, let's go to the longer time frame real quick just so we can show you guys. Okay, so our 50 EMA, it just straight bent. All right, we want to actually see a next higher low here, but we hit that 19.6, so we're in that 19.5 range. Okay, and we're right at that M1 pivot zone that we just talked about. All right, we need to actually get back to the 20.5 plus up over to the 21 even. You know what I'm saying? And that's at the M4, which is at the 50 EMA right there. 200 is also sitting right there. I was waiting for the crossover, and then it never happened. So this is another one. When we pull below on these longer time frames, these are good times for DCA. Let's see. Yep, on the 1 hour. Okay, so Tokyo grabbed it and pulled it down a little bit, gave you a little shake of a leg, and yeah. As you can see. Okay, so New York session started off and it pulled us down. They grabbed some liquidity and then shook them out, killed those shorts, liquidations coming in, and then the market you can see the S&P right here. Okay, it actually market closed and it shows 394. Actually, it's 1.5 points, and right now it's you know, at a session right now. New York sessions, always we love rocking open on New York opens. So today was Wednesday, a lot of stuff happening in the market, so let's go ahead and see what happens for the day tomorrow. That's why I was already looking at the Sydney Times. Gold actually pulled below that 17 mark, so that was an interesting look for me. Okay, and then we have on the 1 hour, we have Ethereum, okay, actually pulling, it pulled up above to the 50 EMA, tapped the 200, and then it came back down to this zone right here, okay, at the pretty much 1600. We got the merge going on, and a lot of people, a lot of controversy, a lot of different stuff happening there, and yeah, so you guys already know what it is. Let me go ahead and go to a 4 hour time frame for you guys. All right, so there's Sydney right there. Okay, we are right at that 200 EMA on this 4 hour, which is actually kind of interesting. I want to see if this next candle closes above that, because that would be interesting for that. We're going to go through our dailies in a second. Okay, let's go to BNB on the 1 hour. Okay, you can see BNB pull below the 50. Okay, and look, you see how it's dumping right now to here? I'm gonna try to grab it, okay, right here, which is a really, which was a zone that I was looking at, which is at the 274, 275, okay, because we are extended. Now, if we look at the 4-hour, okay, for BNB, you see how we ended up going 50 EMA up over the 200, and then we came back down because of this long extended candle, and now we're at Sydney, and Sydney's coming back to recover that wick. Okay, and once we hit that point, I want to see if we're going to go further below, or are we going to start churning and going back up. Okay, XRP right here. Okay, and then this is on the 4-hour for XRP. Let's go to the 1-hour first. Okay, so you can see XRP is actually between the 50 and the 200. Okay, the 50 came below the 200 after, you know, the pullback down here, and we've been sitting right at 33, and it actually tried at the Sydney, it tried to pull itself up over to 200, and it didn't. It rejected, and now it's coming back past that vector zone. Okay, that vector candle 33.65, and then we're stopping here. So I want to see exactly where they pull it to, and see where we're gonna bounce from. Okay, you got your dollar index here. All right, which is crazy. As you can see on the dollar index, all right, they have had the American dollar has seen some really extreme highs, okay, and that has caused fluctuations in the market. Alright, I'm going to go through a bunch of other stuff too, but I also just want to go ahead and show you oil. Okay, the pullback on oil. Alright, hold on. Okay. Okay, yeah, the pullback on oil is actually good. Alright. Hold on one second. I'm going to drop something here. Yep. Crypto news live. Alright, and let me go here. Let me just drop this for this guy, and then I do crypto. Okay, crypto news live for you guys chilling over there. Okay, let me just go ahead and pull that to the side because I'm gonna show some stuff momentarily. And I'm just actually right now just showing you on the oil, the pullback on the oil, but we're going to talk about some other stuff. Hit the chat, hit what you got, rocking out. Okay, so you see right here, we had a pullback on oil, and that is actually a good thing for, you know, all transportation goods, the price of goods, and all that kind of stuff. We could touch on a longer video tomorrow. I just wanted to show you this to you guys. And also gold had a nice little pullback for itself over there too. So that's what I was watching. Okay, so we're going to go back to the Bitcoin, and we're going to analyze exactly what is going on these Bitcoin charts. Okay, so right now we are on the daily. You see how we went up, okay, on the daily above the 50 EMA, and then we pull down. I'm going to show you some, guys. I'm going to show you guys exactly what these hybrid charts are going to do. All right. Okay, on the daily on Bitcoin, Okay, this is the RSI. I am using Trader's Reality, and this gives me a bunch of different indicators. You can see that's the 50 EMA, the 200, the 800. The 200 already crossed over the 800. I was expecting some turn-ups, okay? I can't wait until that crosses back over. We started to hit and we were above that 50 EMA, but then we pulled back down, all right? You see this vector candle right here? It stops at 19.2. Well, that could be a zone that we end up hitting. So you're going to go in and go ahead and mark off your different target areas, okay? And I'm going to show you some other target areas. If we continue, okay, you can see these vector candles right here. You see at the 19, and then you see right here, okay, and that's 16. So if we break that 17, okay, we have a 16, and then we have, where is it? Yep, we have the 14 right here, which is liquidity pools. So you can go ahead and mark those areas off on your chart so you know that that is exactly what can happen if we see more downplay in the market. But actually, we are actually seeing a lot of activity. Okay, let me go over here real quick. Okay, and then go to okay, pop up the Cointelegraph news real quick. All right, and then let's go straight to Bitcoin. Okay. Oh, they did the price analysis. Analyst on 17.6 price bottom, not there yet. So this was posted hours ago, and they were talking about that 17.6. Okay, so Bitcoin market behavior is not okay. With previous bear market bottoms, one of the leading crypto analysts argues. In a Twitter thread on September 14th, Willy Woo, creator of data resource Willy Woo, offered 3 examples of why Bitcoin should still have further to fall. Despite many calling a new macro bottom price during June's trip when we tripped down to the 17.6, okay, people are calling that a bottom. But they're saying that Willy Woo says that we still have some moves towards that bottom. That's why I said go ahead and mark those areas off on your chart. So that's what he was talking about. He was talking about the 14 and then the 12K areas, okay? If you go and look onto the blockchains, okay, there's so many different things happening right now on the blockchains that you can actually see the activity. Actually, let me go here real quick. Let me go to my video. I'm going to share. I'm going to go into my video so that way I can see the chat on this one. Go and look onto the blockchains. Okay, all right. Let me just share this real quick. Bust it out on Twitter for you guys. All right. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. I just wanted to get that out there. Late night Bitcoin running. Okay. Rocking out. Yeah, smash them likes. Hit those. We talking, we rocking, we do shout outs and much more. Okay. We've been talking and rocking in a few different Telegram groups, okay? Rocking over here. Miku holding that floor like I was telling you. Tiki guys, go check out that utility that they got going on inside there. You can pop it up. Check that out, guys. Shout out to that. And then another one that was an interesting one that we've been watching is right here, Nami token. But all guns go, man. Meme coins, when the market started pumping bullish, that's what we saw. When BNB comes flying up, you see a bunch of projects come out. You know what I'm saying? So we rocking for that. So don't forget to stop by the Twitters. Actually, I think I just dropped the video real quick just over there, you know what I mean? So we can continue to talk about Bitcoin's price, okay? So on the daily, you see how the RSI, when we pumped up here above the, actually I'm going to pull this, make this bigger, okay? When we jumped up over the 50 EMA, you see how the RSI went like this, and we were up here. Well, boom, we're right back here. So I'm just waiting to see if that's going to be a crossover, and then we start hitting lower levels and coming down. So we will definitely see if tomorrow's going to be a crazy reversal day or not. You know what I'm saying? And that's just definitely what we are talking about here. Okay, so let me just go ahead, and I guess I'm going to show you some other indicators, because it seems like you guys love some okay, EMA ribbon. You can see that, which is actually a definite pull right there, which is awesome. We want to hit that, but we fell right back through that. Okay, let's look at the EMA ribbon on the daily on Ethereum. Okay, so look, tight squeeze right there. The merge is coming. Look at this, BNB on the daily. Okay, we're sitting right there. All right, right there for all the moving averages. Okay, and then XRP. So guys, make sure you follow all the markets. Make sure you watch the New York Open. Okay, make sure you watch that tomorrow. Always, it's 9:30 New York time, which is EST, and then 3 p.m. is also another time. Okay, you want to watch those first half-hour candles and see how they're going to set their day. You know what I mean? Let's pop over to Doge real quick, because I know we got our Doge fans. So yeah, Doge, nice pump, but then obviously, you know, we had some market fluctuations, and we pulled back down over here. So we're below the 50 on the daily. On the 1 hour for Doge, we are, let me pull this up, let me stretch that out. Okay, we are in Hong Kong session, and Hong Kong is actually pulling down right now, so I want to see where Hong Kong is going to stop. You know what I mean? I want to see where they're going to stop their levels, and I'm going to go down into smaller time frames, and you guys can actually catch scalps off of you know, those shorter time frames. All right, so what we have, okay, let's see, late night, let's go. Yeah, I'm just reading this with you guys. You guys are rocking. Mad love to all you guys in all the Telegram chats. Okay, all right, and then we're on Doge. So Binance, okay, BNB is one I'm watching. Okay, I want to see, actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down real quick to the 15 minute and see what that's got going on, okay, because that's got 1 minute left. Let me go to the 5, okay, and see what happens real quick. Okay, let's see what happens on this next candlestick. Now, it's either going to push it up, okay, or we're going to see more downward play. Okay, so it's pushing it up, and this is on the next 5, so that's fluctuating. So the first minute or two into this next 5 is really going to tell me, are we coming back down? Because do you see this wick right here? This wick right here is something that I was looking at. And then Bitcoin, okay, and then this is going to be on the 5. All right, Hong Kong, all this is open. Next 5 coming. So yes, it looks like it could be coming back for these levels, but then you see right here, okay, we have the 19.9, so that's right below the 20K. So I'm gonna watch these next couple little 5-minute candles and try to pull some scalps off of that, and we'll be able to actually see what kind of scalp we can pull off of maybe off of Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and just see what this next candle brings. Okay, so look, that 5 is popping. It's 1 minute in, and that next 5-minute candle's popping. I just want to see is it going to pop or continue to go down? Because that'll tell me, okay, if it's going to pop, then I'm going to go to these psychological levels right here, you know, 20.120. All right, that would be a quick little scalp trade, okay? But if we go back down below this, all right, I can see us hitting that equally, you know, evenly, okay? And yeah, so that's what we have on those charts. So I'm gonna check this and let's see if we can catch something like I did with you guys the other day. We caught something on one of the things the other day, and we caught a trade, which is pretty cool. So mad love for that. I just want to be able to see where that next trade is coming from. You know what I mean? So I want to see where this next 5-minute candle is gonna come from. Alright, so what do we got? We got 3 minutes left of that candle, so I'm going to go ahead and watch this candle, and I want to see if it closes up above that. And then we can tell where our scalps are going if you want to do quick scalps. Okay, so what do we got here? Alright, 2 minutes left on that 5-minute candle. I'm watching it. Alright. Get your phemex ready. Okay. And then you can see quick little scalp moves depending on which way we are going in the market. Alright, let's see. Okay, so we have that move and we have this move. Alright, let's go ahead and actually let me close out that. Let me pull up the RSI again and see, because look, it's a little bit below it. The RSI is a little bit below it. Okay, so next candle just came in, and let's see. Oh boy, we are sitting. If we start turning that up because of the Hong Kong session, oh, you see the yellow? The little yellow started to turn down. I want to see what's gonna happen. Okay, so 20.1. Okay, so all right, let me see what I'm saying. Okay, so that is coming up. So what I would do is, let's see, 25% is 2,500. So what is that? That's 2130. So what does that be like? 2130. Huh, okay. And then we could see actually, let's see. Alright. So right up to here, quick scalp trade. Let's see if we rock that scalp trade. You know what I'm saying, guys? That's what I just wanted to show you guys, so you guys can rock out watching the quick little 5-minute candles and just grabbing a couple little bucks here and there. Alright, We're grabbing a couple little $5 there. Let's go ahead and see what is going to happen. What's going to happen? Okay. Okay. What's going to happen, guys? Oh, are we going to hit it? So we got 2090. So look at that. We need to go to 2100. And I'm watching this. 2 minutes into that 5-minute candle, which went bullish. And when you see that yellow turn up, usually, you know, I follow through that. So I want to catch that quick. When I told you the target, as soon as I saw it right there at the 20, 45, whatever it was, quick, little fast, long there. And yeah, boy. And okay, let's see what we can do about that. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. Alright, let me see. Okay, yeah, so we are in profits. Alright. We are in profits. Okay, pulling back a little bit. Alright. And let's see, where are we at now? We are at 2080. Oh, that 5-minute. 2 minutes left into that 5-minute candlestick. I just want to see it close up and confirm a close up, and we are fluctuating. Yeah, boy, let's go, let's go, let's go. Fluctuating up, let's go. Okay, 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 okay. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, little bit, okay. So there we go. 1 minute left onto that candlestick. So where are they going to put it? Where are they going to put it? And then where are we going to pop into the next candlestick? Okay. Where are we going to pop into the next candlestick? Are we going to have another night, a quick night with a quick win? Or are we going to have a quick little fail right there? So let's go ahead and see where we're going to rock out. If you guys are watching... I did this the other night, just some quick scalp trades, and you know, we just took it from where it was, you know, and that's how it goes, that's how it is, you know. We got 1 minute left on this candlestick, okay, so I want to see it close above this yellow line right here. So see how it's right on that moving average? Oop, the moving average changed a little bit. Okay, there we are. We're on the next candlestick. It's pulling down. But now, okay, we're sitting there, right leveled. Let's see. Okay, this is the one that would either tell all or tell none. Alright. So that's how I was showing you, because we pulled down and then we were right here, you know, at these moving averages. So that's what I like. Okay, but look, you see the RSI? It's hitting right here. It's not trying to go up here, you know what I mean? It's not trying to pop that. Let me see. Let me go real quick to the 15. Okay, so the RSI is turning up and the 15 is making some moves there. Alright, let me go to the 30-minute chart. Okay, so the RSI pulled under, pulled below, Hong Kong session. Okay, 280, and then the 50 EMA right here is at 20K 200, and then that's on that one. Alright, so I'm gonna go back here real quick into our candle sticky sticks. Alright, and while we were looking around, popping around, we got some, look at that movement, man. They just don't want to pull it up to this moving average right here. They just don't want to they don't want to see it. You know, because it's either gonna hit that, reject, and come back down, or it's gonna hit that, pull above the 50 EMA, or completely get rejected right now, right back down to these wicked out points. Okay, so that's what I'm just showing you. All right. Okay, it's like the anticipation. The anticipation is killing me here. Anticipation is killing me here. Oh, okay, so look at that. The RSI just started to turn up more. So that's definitely, I like that. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing, but they're moving. Look at that. You see that RSI? It wasn't crossing this yellow line here. You guys see? And now we're at the bottom of that pink. All right. So let's see if we can hit this one. If we can hit this one. Oh, it popped above the red, and we're at the 20K 90. We're at the 20K 90. Moving. Slowly pulling itself that way, and now, okay, you see the yellow, right? I'm just trying to make this simple. You want to keep seeing that turn up, and that's how you can watch fluctuations, and then probably gonna hit this and then get rejected. So that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. And if that happens, then I'm going to be like, okay, these charts, man, we can definitely hit a bunch of more scalps together. We can definitely hit these more. Oh, look at that. 20K 106. 20K 100. 2 minutes left on that 5-minute candle. Okay. Getting close to our target. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. So is it going to pop into the next 5 and be rejected right here? Or are we going to see a pop up above that moving average here onto this next candle? And then that's all we need. That's all we need. So let's go ahead and see. Come on, man. The minutes is counting down. The seconds are counting down. Seconds are counting down. Ooh, it pulled down a little bit for this next stick to come and hit us. We're right below. What is that? Okay, yep. 20,095. Oh, and then 89, and then that's probably because we're coming into the next. Oh, and then see, it was either reject it or respect it, so it's either gonna pull itself down. But the RSI actually went here, so that's what I was wondering. I was like, okay, it's fluctuating a lot. Okay, we're watching our lines. We're rocking. Come on, baby. Hit us. Hit us with it. Hit us with it. Hit us with it. Alright. Hit us with it. Oh, a little bit of a jump on that. Little bit of a jump on that pump. Turning up. You see these moving averages here? Okay, I want to see that yellow cross back above that red, and then we could find a top. But then look at that rejection. Oh, it's fighting because it's getting close to those moving averages. It's fighting. It's fighting because it's getting close to that moving average. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. go to Ethereum real quick. Okay, let's see. And that's on the 5, and it's pulling below the 200. Oh, no. Ethereum is fighting that 200 right there. BNB on the 5 is actually, yeah, it's fluctuating. It was fighting itself on there depending on, you know. Okay. So we see that, you know, a little turn, twisting. Hong Kong, you know, is you know, good for that. I've seen a lot of times where Sydney pulls it down, Sydney pulls the market down, and so on. So, you know, and then Hong Kong and what's it? We're still in profit a bit on our trade. Okay, we are actually about 4% in profit on the trade, and it looks like we're up. It's getting rejected. It's getting rejected. Yeah, I see it, boy. So it would actually need a turn. Wow. Okay, so 81, 90, and then, yeah, that's what the pull on that was. 2 minutes left on that candlestick. Alright. 2 minutes left on that. Oh, and it's pulling itself down. Let's go. First scalp trade of the night. And it looks like we are we haven't lost yet. We haven't lost yet. We haven't stopped out yet. So we're sitting on that first little scalper of the night. We're right breaking even. Okay. We're right there breaking even. And there it goes. There it goes. There goes the dump. There goes the dump. Yep. Straight red candle. And I told you guys, I said that's what's going to end up happening. Boom. Look at that. Right to that zone. And boom. Stop loss. Look at that. Straight disrespect on that part. Wow. So that's pretty interesting right there. Okay. So Bitcoin actually had a pullback. BNB actually pulled down to here. And let's see if what the next candle would be. Let me see something real quick. Okay. I want to see if we have, let's see what we have. Alright, so BNB. Okay, so look, those moving averages are turning down and BNB is turning down. So, yep, I was just looking at that. Ethereum on a quick trade. Let's see. Did it bend yet, the moving average? No. Okay, and then Bitcoin again. Okay, let's see how much more it's going to pull down before we turn. Let's go to XRP and see what it's looking like. Okay. And then the Doge. The Doge pulling down to that zone here. And yeah. I want to go back to BNB. Okay. So that's at 73. Okay, so is it going to go below this mark right here? Okay, so that was yesterday low. All right, at 273. Let's see Bitcoin real quick. Okay, so Bitcoin actually went down to its 1900 level. All right, so Bitcoin. Okay, interesting. Okay, so Bitcoin. Let's see, 2184. What is that? Look at that, it's coming right back up. Okay. So yeah, we caught that on the move up right there. Let's see what happens now. see how the RSI turned up and then it came straight down and it hit that. That's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. It's coming up. It's coming up. Caught that bottom. Okay. Caught that bottom on the swing. All right. Where are we at? Oh, man. Watching this, man. Watching this. Watching this. Next. Income scalp trade. All right. Okay, so look at that. We got the blue. Okay, we're coming up to 20. We're coming up to the top of that red vector candle. We are 10% into profits. Let's go see. We got 1 minute left on that candlestick. So the next candlestick. Let's see where we pop. Did we get a bullish? There we go, bullish. Yes, yes. Okay, let's see. What's this next one gonna do? Alright. So this next candlestick's coming in. And is it gonna carry us through? Or is it going to pull us back down? We're swinging all over the place. We're swinging all over the place here. Where are we? Are we going to pop back up? Are we going to pop back up? So we don't... Okay. 10% into the trade, okay. Okay, okay, I'm fighting with this candle here. I'm fighting with this candle here. Guys, you know I'm fighting with this candle here. Okay. Always pay yourself on your trades. Alright. I'm just waiting for the next move. Look at it. So you see how it recovered up and then now it's coming back into that area right there? You know, it looks like they're shaking out like, you know, shaking out some people. Look at that. Now it's going to come right back down to there. Oh, what do we got? I'm going to follow this one because this is some interesting action we got going on here. We got some interesting action going on. All right. So 3% up on the trade. 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candlestick. I'm seeing some movement, a lot of fluctuation back and forth. All right. Let me see something here. Okay. So that's, we had some volume. Okay, and then we're in here. Let me just see. Okay. Alright. So we had that, and then we had a pinch. I'm not exactly sure right now what that's called. But you see how it tapped out right there? Now watch this. You got 1 minute left at a 5-minute. They're going to pull down and then pull back up. You see that? Okay. Pull down and pull back up. RSI is right here on the middle. It's sitting right there. Some fluctuation. See? Pull down. Pull down. And then pull back up at the end of that candlestick. Okay. About 30 seconds left on that candlestick. So you see how they're pulling it down. Alright. Fighting with the algo. We still got a tail on that candle. And now more volume came in for sell, longer tail, longer sell. Next candlestick comes in and it is bringing us a, okay, so top tail, yep, top tail was red, and then it bringing us volume. So let's go ahead and see where the volume's going. And then we're still seeing this RSI here. It started to go back under. We don't want to see that. We want to see the volume right here coming in. Okay, that's what we want to see. All right, let me see here. Okay, okay. Gonna open the book map, which I should have done before. I should have opened the book map before to show you the trades. Alright. Yeah, I should have showed you the book map before, right? Alright. Book map. Alright. Yeah, Bookmap uses a lot of your PC. Alright, I'm going to let this Bookmap load. Alright. So that way we can actually watch these trades in action. Give us a better idea of where we're going here. Okay. Okay. Alright, I got the book map here. Okay. Let me pull the book map over here. Next to us, let me just spread it out a little bit more so I can see what's going on. Alright. So we had some negative delta. Let me just spread this out more so I can see. Wow, look at 19. Look at all the liquidity sitting up here. But then at 2150, look at that. Alright. And then 1980, and then yeah, obviously the whole and half numbers. Look, they just moved it up. And then you see this. Oh, you see this coming in right there at the 20, and it, yep, the 2100, and then you can see red, big moves here. Yep, positive delta. Okay. And what are we building up? Okay, so we're in some positive delta. Got some swing going on. Liquidity was up here. It moved closer. Okay, this moved up, moved closer a little bit at 19,900. Okay, let's see what it does. Let's see what it does at that 19,900. At the 19,900, yep. I don't know why I just did that. Okay, let's see. See some movement here. I want to see them moving. Okay, so look. Some orders coming in over here. Right above it. Okay. We're filling them. We're filling them. Alright. The 19.5 has a lot sitting down there. What is that? 19.9. Yeah, so that would be a lot further below that zone. And then you have some positive delta bringing you up. Oh, look at this. We just had this pop up. Okay, we just had this pop up. So are we spoofed up here, or are we moving? Look at that. They moved. They removed that liquidity. And it looks like they're getting ready for a... Oh, look at this. Okay. 6.4. Okay. 2065. Okay. So then, yeah, these orders, that moved up. That moved. These came in closer. Okay. And then you see how this moved up here and it came in closer. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Big volume. Yep. Right there. We have our orders right here sitting. Some good delta. Okay. Some good buy. Oh, look at that. Yeah. 2150. They're heading for that. Look at that. See these orders here? Look at that. Filling them. They're filling them. Ooh. What a day, what a day, what a day. Oh, look, they just moved that up a little bit too. 20.2. 20.2. I just want to see our final move of the night. And we can rock out. Okay, so they moved that up there. Okay. A little bit of fluctuation. What is this? Oh, it's this 20.2. Okay. So we have that. We have that into play. We just want to see. Okay, so those orders are. Ooh. They're playing with it. Okay, so yep, you can see some spoof orders coming in. Some spoofs. Some spoofs. I just want to see if they're gonna move any liquidity around. So this was just moved up, and then this is at 19.9. Okay, 19.950, and then you got those orders coming in right there at the 100. Okay, so that's 0.69, and then yep, at the 80, at the 80, at the 80. Oh, come on, come on, just just blasting on through. Okay, yep, you see some orders getting filled. Nice. Okay, well, that's volume coming in for orders being filled. $20.06. Okay, I see that. Okay. We are just fluctuating right here at this freaking point right here. 2 minutes left on that candle. And then if we don't catch our next little run right here, time to pay yourself. Okay, 1 minute left on that candlestick. Oh, I just seen some moving averages turn up. So just bring it up. Oh, yeah, some orders coming in on the book map. And what do we got? What do we got? Oh, look, they just moved this up here too. So that was actually interesting. Coming into that next candlestick. See if they pump the candlestick. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what they got. Yeah, they had a lot of positive delta coming up here, but it seems like it's just like stuck at that point. When you see them start moving that liquidity around, then that's when you know there's something happening on the charts here. All right, where are we? At the 60. Oh, we got some spoof orders popping up, and they're pulling it down. Craziness tonight on the charts, guys. Craziness. Okay, well, you're in profits. You pay yourself.